Hello, this short clip is to show you how to use a graphic scale. A graphic scale is a quick way to find out the distance as the crow flies between 2 points on the map. So here I'm going to use this scale in miles, but the scale goes from 0 to 40 miles, and notice that the left hand side of the scale is a little more detailed than the rest of the scale. We have a mark here for 5, whereas we don't have 15, 25 and so on. So I'm going to use this scale to find the distance as the crow flies between Hugo and Valiant. And here I am using a plastic ruler. When you do this at home, you would be using a piece of paper. So what you do is you would take your piece of paper and you align it between Hugo and Valiant, and then you draw a tick mark directly on your piece of paper for those two locations. I don't use the edge of the ruler because I find it less accurate. It's kind of hard to see where the ruler ends. So now I have the distance on my ruler between those two locations, and I put this directly on the graphic scale. I align one point with 0, and then I look at where I end up on the other side. So here I end up somewhere between 20 and 30. And because this is less detailed than this part of the scale, I'm actually going to do this in two steps. So first I'm going to mark 20 miles on my ruler, right here. Then I'm going to take that and align it with the 0. So I have 20 miles here. I align this with the 0, and then I read how much I have here between 0 and 5. And I would say this is approximately 2 miles. So I have a total of 22 miles for the distance between Hugo and Valiant, distance which is as the crow flies.